What if I tell you that it's 100% possible for you to make money from the forex market without being a good trader? Yes, you heard me right. You can actually make money and enjoy all the benefit that comes from the forex market even without having the right trading knowledge. Now, before you jump away from this video, this is not one of those videos that give you false knowledge about the market. As you all know on this channel, I focus on giving you the right knowledge. And I'm doing this video to actually help those who are willing to make money from the forex market, but then don't want to go through the stress. And for that reason, I'll be revealing two important ways to actually make money from the forex market, which is 100% legitimate. Billionaires are doing this, millionaires are doing this, and even thousandaires are taking advantage of these opportunities as well. And before we continue to sharing these ways with you, I would like to let you know that, well, these aren't risk free either. There are still risks involved in this method, but then it's way more better because more experienced people will be the ones working with your money for you. So guys, with this already said, and without taking much of your time, if this is your first time here, kindly help me do the YouTube business by smashing that subscribe button and also like this video as well, so YouTube will show it to more people. Because on this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can actually make money from the forex market. So let's get down to business. So guys, in order to make money from the forex market without having the trading knowledge, the right trading skills and equipment, the first thing is basically utilizing copy trading. Now, copy trading is simply a process whereby you get to copy profitable traders from trading platforms. Like basically you can sign up to a broker like Light Finance, and then when you go over there, since you don't know how to trade, what you basically do is simply you look for profitable traders on that platform and then you copy their trades. As simple as that. You don't have to get in contact with them. All you basically need to do is simply click a single button. Now, for those of you wondering how it actually works and you want to see how to get it done, well, let me take you on my laptop and share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can start copying people's trade on Light Finance for 100% free, even though they charge a little fee for you to copy other people's trade. So guys, the first thing you basically need to do is simply you need to come over to Light Finance. Now you can see right now I'm on Light Finance. This is how their homepage is right now. So once you come over here, they are a very legitimate broker that has been in the system for over 20 years right now. So basically all you have to do is simply click on registration and then go sign up. Now for the sake of this video, I'll be using a demo account to illustrate to you how their copy trading system actually works. So basically I'm logged into my demo account right now. If I should come over to trade right now, like basically I have already tested this system. Now let me show you. I actually copied some people's trade a week ago, and you can see I'm currently in profit of over $2,869. So I actually copied two traders. So from this part, three traders actually. This one here, I've not made any profit, no loss. Over here at Salam Capital, I've made about $2,878, and I invested about, was it five? It was about $3,000, $2,000 that I threw in here. That's probably about $2,000 or $3,000 as well. Now you can see over here, I'm losing just $9.39. Now this is simply through copy trading. What I basically did was that I signed up to this platform and I wanted to test every single thing before I bring it on to you. So I used their demo to actually test it, and I see that it's really working. Now, I also copied these same people over on a live account as well, and the details, every single thing were the same. So probably no big deal. Now basically, to copy people's trade, all you basically need to do is simply on their home tab like this, you come over to where it says copy trading. Now as you come over here, you are going to see a lot of traders on here. Now here they are going to show you a few. Now one thing I love about them is that, well, they show you the analytics of how these people are performing before you copy their trade. Now on here they are showing you only a few of the traders that are available here. So in order to see more, just click on where it says popular. Now once you come over here, you are going to see a lot of traders that are on this platform that you can actually copy their trade and start trading. So for example, if you want to copy this guy here, which is known as TG, so basically before you copy any trader, here are the things to pay attention to. Number one is simply profitability. You can see trading capital that I copied, he has a 639.22% profitability. That is his all-time performance, not 1 day or 1 month. It's all-time. I don't know how many months or how many years he has spent on a platform. Now over here you have this tag team Zoe US. It's like this person is trading good strictly. He has a 57.68% win rate profitability as well, which is also great. So basically you can see he's managing about $2.7 million. It's no joke. So let me say you want to copy this particular person right now. You click on it. Now once you click on it, you just have to come down here and then read the page. Now some of them, they have their information here about how much you need to have before you can copy them, and some of them don't really care. You can copy them with any amount. So basically all you have to do from here is simply come over here and then come over to where it says profitability chart. Now once you come over here, if you want to copy them, you basically enter the amount you want to use to copy them. So for me, let me just say I want to copy this guy with about $3,000. So now you basically just set in the $3,000, or let me just give him $4,000. Now once you set it like this, you just come over here to copy settings. And then once you come over here to copy settings, now you can just set how much you want to lose maximum from this $4,000 and how much you want to make back. Now once any of these target that you set here get triggered, the system automatically close you out of copying his trade, and then that's basically all. And the benefit is that you can copy a lot of traders at the same time. So for example, after this, I can just hit on here, it says copy. Now it said not enough funds, so I was about, okay, I'm copying this guy with $4,000. Okay, my demo doesn't have up to that, so let me just close it off. So they want me to switch over to my live account. So basically, let me just go with $2,000. Okay, so now I can copy him. So now you see that they also care about it. They don't want you using too much. Now you can see copy successful. Now from next week, when this guy plays trade, if he makes profit, I'm also going to record profit as well. So it's basically this simple to make money from copy trading. Copy trading is a very simple way. One of them is simply basically sign up to a broker that offers copy trading, and a broker like Light Finance actually do. Their link will be down in this video description, so you can look into it and then actually use it to start copy trading. Like basically, you don't need any knowledge. All you basically need is simply sign up to Light Finance using the link in the video description. Also will be tagged in the comment. After that, you basically deposit in any amount of money that you are willing to lose. Yes, hear me right. As long as copy trading might be profitable, there are also bad days in the market as well. So you might come across losing days as well. So in order not for you to get stuck in this losing days, I would advise you not to use money that you are not willing to lose. So basically invest money that you know that you can actually lose comfortably. In trading, it's very risky. Whether you are copying an experienced trader or not, is highly risky. The second way to make money without being a good trader is basically through fund management. Now what fund management basically means is that assuming you have a lot of money available, you want to invest in the forex market. Now what you basically do is simply you look for a profitable trader that has enough record to back up his trade. Like basically, you don't just hand your money to any random person out there. Number one is simply you sign up to a broker. Now if you look for a broker to sign up to, I advise you use a broker like Light Finance. Now once you sign up to it, next up is basically you look for a highly profitable trader with enough track record to prove that he is highly profitable for about 2 years or more. Now he's highly profitable. He can actually show you a lot of evidence from his broker, wherever place he's trading. He can show you a lot of evidence that he's trading legitimately. He is not a gambler. Once you confirm all of this, now you can then hand your funds over to this person, whether him or her, to actually manage for you. Now basically, when you are doing this, it often comes with some terms and conditions, and here are some of the terms. The person is allowed to lose up to 10% of the total amount that you hand over to him. So basically, if you hand him $10,000, he can actually lose up to $1,000, or depend on how much you are willing to let him actually lose up to. And then the profit split also, you and the person will have to sit down, discuss every single thing. So in case you are moving your money over to someone to help you trade for you, I would advise you not just wake up one morning and carry random amount of money and give to someone to trade for you. Make sure that you guys have a written agreement. You probably have a lawyer. The person also have his lawyer. You guys have a written agreement with enough proof, enough evidence of the transaction, and every single thing should be recorded down. How much you guys are going to split in case he makes profit, when you guys are going to make this profit split, how much he can lose maximum, and how frequently will you be checking the track record of his trade, meaning you need to be seeing which trade he took, when, and you need to see every single movement he is doing with your funds. In this way, you know that you are working with a very transparent person, and make sure that the agreement is very clear before you sign it, so that you don't end up complaining. And please don't sign with a random person over the internet. Make sure you sign with someone and meet the person in person. If it's someone that is very important for you to meet in person, then I advise you that make sure to meet up with this person in person, one-on-one, before you guys get this agreement signed, and then you can hand over the funds for the person to trade for. In this way, you just sit back, the person is doing the trading, you are taking your profit, and with no time, it's basically simple. You are making money from the forex market even without having the forex skills. Now, a lot of you will be wondering, do people actually do this? Well, this is what most of the Arab big men actually do. They are not good at trading, so basically they look for these boys that are good in trading, and then they hand over their funds to them. Like personally, I've had someone who actually approached me and was offering me about $20,000 to actually hand for him. He lives in the UK, but basically I had to turn him down. The reason why I turned him down was that was about last year, back in 2023. I wasn't ready to handle someone's funds, so I was like, okay, I'm not going to do this. So basically, I advise you, don't force someone. If the person says he's not ready to do it, please let the person be. Because one thing that I always advise is that, and if you are someone out there who is a trader watching this video, before you start managing people's funds, make sure that you have enough funds to actually back up in case of anything, in case anything happens. So in case you guys fall below the agreed percentage that you are allowed to lose in the market, you have enough to cover up and then refund this person as well. So basically, make sure both sides of you agree on the terms and conditions before you actually sign. And this thing is known as a fund management. A lot of us have heard about fund management before, so we are basically not new to it. So guys, this is simply the first way. This is simply the second way in which you can actually make money from the forex market without being a good trader, is basically by giving your funds to a good trader to actually trade for you. Please don't approach me. I'm not going to trade your funds for you. I have enough I'm actually trading with at the moment. So maybe later in the future, I might decide to start managing funds. But for now, I'm not doing that. So guys, this is all I have for you in this video. Remember, the first one is the most easiest, and then one of the ones that I personally appreciate the most is simply through the copy trading system. And Light Finance makes it very easy for you to copy anyone. In case you have any problem, you can just reach out to their support system. They are going to give you every single information you need. And they've been doing this for about 20 years right now, so it's not something new. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.